Thursday Tech Tips. Still on a flavor fusion. Shocker. So, today we're going to talk about how to remove our ice chute. So, anytime we do an ice maker PM, or actually if you're servicing this piece of equipment, it doesn't hurt to take this guy off and get it sanitized. It's pretty hard for the store to take care of that on their own. So, if you're out, you've got your whole machine torn apart, cleaning the ice maker, you're doing anything like that, just takes a second. Take your finger and go on the side, and there's two little clips. So usually I will just snag it and click, and then you got the other side, and there should be a click, and then there is on here a way to get it. So we are going to pop him up. So we bring him towards us. You can see we've disconnected it from the door, and then out he comes. So then we're going to take this guy and quick wash, rinse, and sanitize. It'll be a ton cleaner for the store and makes their life a lot easier. If you're a store, don't take this off. It can be kind of a pain to get it back on, but you can use a bottle brush. Okay, once you have everybody washed, rinsed, and sanitized, it goes down and in. And the key thing is there's a little hole right there, and it lines up with this little guy right here. So he needs to go on his hole, because that's going to be what has the gate go up and down. Once you get that in place, you can see I'm not quite centered. Once you get that in place, pull him back, and then once he's locked in, push back, and it should work. And the way you can test if it works, run the unit, and you're good to go. So the key thing is not to horse it and not to beat on it too hard, because you can crack that plastic. So hope that helps you out. We'll see you next time.